Hello friends, today's topic markets weak, 4 reasons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Nifty fell by more than 1% intraday today due to various factors. Similarly, the mid and small caps were down around 1% intraday before they recovered from their lows. Finally, Nifty closed only 0.7% down. Mid cap and small cap indices were down only 0.5%. Following are some of the factors which are keeping global markets weak. Number one, geopolitical tension in Middle East. Today, Israel attacked Iran's nuclear-linked facilities, that is on this Friday. This has revived the fear of broader conflict in the region. The attacks are amongst the most significant Iran has faced in decades. Israel has multiple sites, including a main nuclear enrichment facility. Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei warned of severe punishment against Israel, raising the threat of further retaliation. 2. Surge in crude oil prices. International crude oil prices went up significantly to around $74 to 75 per barrel. The reason for the rise in oil prices is because of the fear of supply disruption due to Israel-Iran conflict. With India importing more than 85% of its oil requirement, rise in crude prices poses a risk to the trade deficit since we need to pay more. 3. US tariff threat. US President Donald Trump has threatened countries who have not yet been discussing about tariffs that the US will just impose a high tariff from July without consulting the other country. Most countries are yet to finalize any trade agreement with US. Hence, there is a lot of uncertainty in the coming weeks. 4. FII selling. Due to the negative factors on the global front, FIIs have been net sellers of shares in this week. Even though DIIs have been continuously buying, markets were negative for this week. So we need to see how FIIs take action next week. India VIX went up by 7% today due to fears of further escalation of Israel-Iran tensions. However, on a weekly basis, India VIX is up only around 3%. Nifty 50 index closed below the 30 DMA today. Nifty closing was at 24,719 and 30 DMA is at 24,748. However, it is still around 2.5% above the 200 DMA. Such a correction continues to favor long-term investors since if the market struggles in the short term, it provides a good opportunity to invest at similar prices for many months. This helps in reducing the overall cost of the investment. It may make you feel pessimistic for some time, but you are likely to forget it whenever the markets rally in the future. The important thing is to stay disciplined and patient for an extended period of time. The investors who are successful are the ones who can stay optimistic even during tough phases of the market. End of the video, here is a question. Markets have been dull for the last 9 months. In your experience, have you seen such a period in the past too? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.